Ugh. My little snow bunny. Uh-huh. You can see the Hildebrandt tree. Isn't that beautiful? All the lights. Wanna walk to Daddy? Oh, look at your shoes are lighting up. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see them.
Come to Daddy. Come see that. Come walk to Daddy. Yeah, your shoes are lighting up. Can you come to Daddy? Do you like the snow, Ian?
I think somebody likes snow. Yeah, you see the trees over there? Hildebrandts have very pretty trees with the lights all over them. And you can see our Christmas tree from the window. You see it? See our Christmas tree?
It's Ian's tree, that's right.
And Anne's snowman. Maybe tomorrow we can make a real snowman in the snow.
Hi. You want to come walk to Daddy? You want to come to Daddy?
Everything's covered in snow. Why don't you walk to Daddy? Or do you want to get in the big fat snowbank again? You want to get in here again? You want to get in the snow again? You do? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you say? 4.
Oh, you're up on a. Oh no! You're up on a snowbank. Wow. Ian is in the snow, isn't she?
This is actually really powdery snow.
Really? Yeah.
It's hard to make. It's going to be hard to make a snowman. Maybe tomorrow will be easier.
Do you like being outside in the snow, Ian?
It's a snow mountain. It's a snow mound.
Can you wave hi to the camera? Can you blow kisses? Can you blow kisses to the camera? Yay.
You want to eat some snow? You want to pick it up with your own hands? Oh. You could try to do it with your mittens on, I guess. Up? Big snowfall day.